Howdy all. My name is Lucas Felipe Raymond, only son to the beautiful, amazing, awesome Yvette Esther Felipe. I come to you today in all gratitude from my heart that each and every one of you made the time from states, from other places, to come and spend time with us. I've been one of the lost in the morning. I really cannot thank you all enough for the amazing things that you've all done. Whether you spent time with her at any point in your life, in the hospital especially, those months during winter time were extremely difficult for us as a family. And to each and every one of you, I give my fullest gratitude. This is a situation that was not expected. Nobody wants to be here. We look around in the hospital, nobody wants to be there. And yet every single day, without fail, my mom has someone there. And that's not something everyone can say. Every single day, one of you was there with her, to be with her, make sure she was okay, to talk, to laugh, have a little bit of fun, and enjoy yourself. As she got to show her love, and you got to show her. Each and every one of you here, this large crowd, exemplifies the love that she had, because everyone here loved her. She was an amazing woman, and the fact that we are overbooked shows just how amazing she is. All of y'all took the time to say hi. In the hospital, I always joked that she was popular. And she hated that. In high school, she saw herself as a nerdy band kid. And she was far from that. She was an amazing person that warmed everybody's hearts and showed everyone what it meant to be a good Christian, be a good woman, be a mother, and be a friend. The abundance of love here shows the abundance of love that she had for each and every one of you. Throughout all of her struggles, throughout all of her pain, she was there, praying for each and every one of you, texting you, calling you. I got a package in the mail a few weeks ago. My mom was always like, "You're losing hair. Your hairline is gonna fall out." And in the hospital, she's sick. She has cancer. And I see this package in the mail, and it's hair product to put in my hair. In the hospital, she was looking at her phone going, "I think Lucas needs hair product." And that just shows how much she put others ahead of herself. She cared about each and every one of you so, so, so much. Over the last month, I've done a lot of reflecting, a lot of sitting in my room and wondering why. Over the last 4 years, it's been my grandfather, my grandmother, and my mom. And that's difficult. You look at God and say, why? Why is this happening? Why are we here? Why are we doing this? What is the point? And the point that I stress to you is love. We are each here to love one another like God has, and my mom did. The point I want to hammer home is that each and every day that you wake up, God has a plan for you. My mom, on her phone, there's a black text, nothing. And it just says, every day that I wake up means that God still has a plan for me. And that goes for each and every one of you. And now that goes doubly for myself. I am now no longer just a reflection of myself, but of God and the love that God had for my mother. Each and every day, I walk and I can think of how grateful I am to each and every one of you, to all my friendships, all my relationships, my family. That she raised me right, and I could be here each and tell you guys that I love you. My mom should be standing here right now telling you all how much she loves you, and I get to do that now. I walk through her. Every success that I have, every victory, is for her. Is to make sure she didn't waste her time. And I just, out of love and appreciation for her, show how much I care for all of you. Moving forward, I just want to leave you with one message as I pose to you. Let your light shine. It's in the verse we just read. And she exemplified that every day. Please, please, let your light shine. Love is the only thing that's going to get us through this. And I pray that each and every one of you show your faith through works, through your love. I love each and every one of you. And I'm so grateful that you guys were all in my mom's life. And she got to touch you the way that I got to have each and every day. I'm so lucky that I got to spend my time with her and be raised by such an amazing woman. So as you look around, and you have your hard days and your difficulties, my mom would tell you to just love. Send that text that you're thinking of to a friend in need. Say hi, reach out if anyone's wondering. And just love. Thank you all for being here. My mom should be here to tell you I love you, and I love you. Thank you so much.